In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the SharePoint Admin Center in Microsoft 365, also known as SharePoint Online. We'll explore the easiest method to do this, ensuring you can navigate directly and efficiently into the hub of your SharePoint administration tasks. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. You can do this by entering this URL into your browser's address bar: https://admin.microsoft.com. Now, if you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Ensure you're using the credentials associated with an admin account. That means you'll need to have either Global Admin or SharePoint Admin permissions. These credentials give you the necessary access to manage and configure the SharePoint settings effectively. Once you're logged into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. This is where the main navigation pane is located. Depending on your setup, you might not see all the available applications immediately. If that's the case, don't worry. There's a simple fix. Just find and click on the option labeled Show All. This action will expand the list, giving you a comprehensive view of all the available admin applications. After expanding this menu, you want to focus on the section labeled Admin Centers. Within this section, you should see SharePoint as one of the available options. Go ahead and give it a click. By selecting this option, you'll be taken directly to the SharePoint Admin Center. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed the SharePoint Admin Center through your Microsoft 365 Admin Center console. Now, a couple of additional tips to keep in mind as you explore the SharePoint Admin Center. It's essential to be mindful of the permissions and roles you have. As mentioned earlier, certain administrative capabilities are reserved solely for those with specified admin roles. If you're unsure about your role or feel like you're unable to access certain features, it might be worth double-checking your account permissions or reaching out to a higher-level admin within your organization. Also, be aware that navigating the SharePoint Admin Center might initially seem a bit overwhelming due to the array of available options. However, rest assured that with time and regular use, you'll become more familiar with its layout and functionalities. Remember, this Admin Center is your one-stop overview and control panel for all things SharePoint, helping you manage sites, permissions, policies, and more. And that concludes our step-by-step guide on accessing the SharePoint Admin Center in Microsoft 365. I hope you found this walkthrough both helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.